Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to use FileZilla and PuTTY. So today we're going to go over how to use FileZilla and PuTTY for the Tech 1010 class, and you'll be able to download, use, and develop experience using PuTTY and FileZilla. So for starters, let's go over just the beginning of how to log into PuTTY. So this is mostly for Windows users. So you're just gonna load eve.king.edu. You're gonna sign in. There should be a review from yesterday's class. And then once you log in, you should have your list of Tech 1010 and your public HTML. Now we're gonna go over how to actually use FileZilla, which is the second component of how to actually use that. So you're gonna open up your web browser and you're gonna go to FileZilla client for Windows, and then you're gonna download FileZilla. Either you download the 32-bit or you go to the 64-bit, whichever one is your computer, and you're gonna download it. So you're just gonna download the standard file transfer protocol and standard file transfer protocol right here as FTP or the FTP over TLS, and you're just gonna hit download. You're gonna go here to FileZilla, in that folder I told you to make for the executables that you're downloading for your computer science classes. You're gonna hit save, and when you download it, you're gonna click on it, and then you're gonna actually agree to the terms and everything. So it should be loading. No, decline. And then you hit next, and then you're gonna just download it. Then you're gonna next, and then it should be downloading. And then it's installing itself on the computer. Then you start. Then you're gonna go here to the Windows tab, and then you're gonna type in FileZilla. Then you're gonna open it. Then I suggest pinning it to taskbar because you're gonna use it a lot. Okay, so here on the left is your main computer. That's your main computer where you have all your folders and everything. And on the right is where you should be connecting to the Eve server. You're gonna click on host. You're gonna type in eve.keen.edu. You're gonna type in your username, and it's the same thing as the password for your ID. And the port is the same, 22. I think I typed in my ID wrong. Oh no, I did type it in right. So everything's connecting. Now I'm going to show you how to structure your public HTML folder later on after I do the Mac instructions for the classroom. So when you do your public HTML, you need to make sure that you have your index.html file, and using this file, this is how you should be able to create your own web page. And then you see the difference on the right that this is Eve. If I were to go into PuTTY and go into my public HTML, CD means change directory, by the way, in case you're confused what I'm doing, and type in ls. This is where my website is located on. And then this should be at least the groundwork for working with FileZilla and for PuTTY for the classroom for the Tech 1010. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I should be getting back to work on with the Mac users.